is a random video right here. So, dragging pumpkins with a John Deere D125. Oh my gosh. These are pumpkins that somehow made it through November and December. So, oh, well, November only. Oh my gosh, I swear. We'll probably have a POV or something similar to me like driving or something. I don't know. If you guys want content on this, I can make content. I mean, I guess. It's not big of a deal, obviously. But we can start making content on this, so. Bye-bye. Oh, this is the stupidest thing probably ever done in history. Ready? Yep. Oh my gosh. The lawnmower has some torque, don't it? Yeah, guys, we'll be back once we're done. Alright, guys, so you're about to see the pumpkins be destroyed in another clip, but we're doing something, one of the stupidest things in the world. Yeah. Let's just slowly go for it. And don't try this at home. I swear, do not try this at home. I know, it already is. Oh, we are at home. Never mind, we can't try it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's not good. Let's not do drift time. Like I said, don't try this at home. I'm at home, but it don't matter. I'm a scientist. Sure. The stupidest thing ever to do in the world, I swear. Don't ever try this at home. Don't do it. Don't. Ah! My trailer is my trailer. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Alright guys, that was the end of this little clip. Let's get back to the video. Hey, so we're back now. I'm going to be driving this. We got the pumpkins, they're pretty shredded. Okay, let's rev it for you guys real quick. Yeah, I'm joking. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so let's go. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. Off-road time. Yeah, with a John Deere. Yeah, those look like some good pumpkins right there, guys, don't they? They look good. I recommend you guys definitely do not do this. Don't try this at home. Please don't. Please do not try this at home. I really do not. Don't. Oh, we need to start keeping the handle. This is so fun. Okay, now we're gonna go driving the road, guys. This is gonna be Hold on, we have to see what Gavin's doing. Hold on. I was gonna record you doing that. It's a swing right there. Oh, you can cut through that. Stay away from that though. Oh, here's the thumbnail. I'm gonna make the thumbnail right now. Alright guys, so here's your thumbnail for the video. There we go. So, I'll just go ahead and tell you guys the specs of this. This is a John Deere D125 or whatever. And also, it has 125 hours on it. How coincidental. It's got 20 horsepower. It's a 100 series. It's nothing insane. It has... This is a mid-engine. This is a mid-engine race car, yeah. It's a front-engine mower, which I'm pretty sure most of them are. It's one of the more basic mowers that you can get. Oh, gosh. I wouldn't want to be in the way of that.
Oh, they got this one too high.
Swing. I swear. That should not be, that's illegal right there. So I guess this is the Firefox. Guys, if you know, this is a go-kart replacement right here. Yeah, no, it's not. Go-kart, let me zoom in if you guys see it. Still over there. It's actually supposed to be getting in the repair shop next week.
New engine.
Oh yeah, look, it's got racing stripes right here. Yeah, it's gonna get a Predator 212, 6.5 horsepower with a, I don't know, like that. Like I said, that's gonna be probably sometime next year when I get the go-kart back. New front tires, new alignment, done, just a lot.
And hopefully it'll run good.
Oh, well, better run good. If it has a new motor, I'd hope it would.
Wait a minute. That was loud. The paint came off one on the.
Probably show that to the camera more. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I guess I'll upload this for Sunday's video. This is gonna be like one of my funniest videos I've ever done on YouTube. I'll have to put a link to your YouTube channel in the description, because you'll be making videos on Traxxas Slash soon. So, which one did you get? The
what's that paint color?
Hawaiian one.
Hawaiian.
Yeah, I actually like that. I was considering getting that body when I was getting mine, but I wanted to get.
There was only one left in stock.
Oh, they're out of stock now.
Oh yeah.
On Traxxas' website and like
so I
on Amazon.
got the last one ever.
I know. Those are supposed to be a rare body too. Like they were going to discontinue it. I don't know.
So yeah, if they're discontinuing it after that, then they're no longer making them, and I'll have a very rare body.
Yeah, I'd be terrified to. Oh crap! Okay, start it up again. I'm about to put the phone down for a second. I'll let you guys hear me starting it up though. All right, guys, let's go ahead. Start going. Wheel spin. So yeah, guys, like I said, it's got 20 horsepower. I don't know how much torque it has. We got this a long time ago. This was submerged completely underwater. So, yeah, let's see. Let's do a burnout with this car. We should race this up against my Traxxas Slash too. No, it wouldn't fare well if I did that. So we really couldn't do that, actually. Well, dang. I guess we'd have to do, like, once we get the go-kart, we could race the go-kart against the Slash two-wheel drive. That'd be pretty good. That's actually a good video idea. I'll look right over these. Alright guys, so we're probably going to end this video soon. I don't know, there's not much content doing this right here. Alright guys, so now we're going to do a burnout really quick. We're going to burnout.
It didn't really do anything.